James were over yesterday, and we didn't get a chance to do the shoot like all the other wreckers did. We came over here today, and we're gonna go up there and we're gonna see if this wrecker can do the shoot. Rory was all loaded up and ready to head back to Moab. We told him we were gonna go do the shoot with the wrecker, and he said, well, I can't miss that. So he unloaded one of the vehicles. He's in the CJ8 or the Scrambler. We are taking the shortcut to the chute. We got Gene behind us, and we got Gabriel in front of us, and Rory's coming. Seat covers in the passenger seat. Hey, what's the weather like?
It's hot. It's 64. It's better than all the rain we got yesterday.
Yeah, it is. Oh.
And yes, I am rocking BSF and Trailmater. I support all my friends. Got my seatbelt on. Safety
What
first.
the heck are you doing, Hunter?
Well,
they all did it. I figured I gotta do it before I go home.
and he's wearing a seatbelt.
Uh-huh.
And yes, we got our seatbelt
It's pretty
on.
serious.
Yep, I guess
Okay.
it is. That's what they tell me.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You want to take it slow, because if you slide in, it can get really rusty. Okay, but you should be narrow enough. You'll be all right. But I'll spot you in here and get you lined up.
Okay.
you guys are at.
sometimes,
Yeah.
you know. But yeah,
Like I said, that's the same thing I was telling them the other day. It's like, you know, I wanted to put lower gears in my truck just for this event, but I don't need them in Moab.
right,
So I don't want to do it for 1 week
right.
because I don't think I'd like the lower gears in my truck.
Yeah,
So, I mean, not in Moab where it works all the time.
right. We tried. We didn't. Couldn't get up on there. Just not enough power. Torque converter's taking it all out. Need lower gear or more power. And now trying to maneuver out of here. We just pulled the Heim joint off the end of our assist ram. So Rory's going to see if he can drag the rear end of the wrecker over a little bit and let us get out of here. I can still steer. Guess we're going home. Maybe kind of with our tail slightly between our legs.
No, it's just an improvement that needs to be done.
Yeah, we need to do a few improvements.
More side, Mike.
That should be good.
Crank it over just a hair for a second. Bump it. Again. Again.
Starting in there.
Somewhat. I'm not calling it fixed. I'm calling it that ought to drive down to the trailer, but don't turn full lock.
Well, now that the record games are over, it's time to look at the truck and assess the damage here. Most obvious damage is right here. And you might have already seen that on a video. But yeah, we got some rock bites way up here. Good thing I have a fender at home. A couple of the other things that happened that on the trail that we had to put back together is our front drive shaft pulled out. We had a shackle bolt broke, and for the first time in the truck's life, with a broken shackle bolt, we overextended the front suspension, pulled our drive shaft apart. But the other thing is we pulled our steering ram out of our Heim joint a couple of times. It's threaded back in there and it's holding for the moment, but we're gonna have to address that when we get back home. And yes, we did break our sling out there, right here. So then we had to stop towing the Isuzu on the sling and do it like the other guys were doing it. What else we got here? Oh yeah, look at here. We bent the rear leaf spring. The other ones are stuck underneath the spring hanger. How does a guy do that? Wow. And then for the big one, the rocks were biting us, so we bit back. And we took out a little section of the rock with the corner of our wrecker box right there. Scuffed the cab a little bit, dented the wrecker box, and altered the trail.
Did the Titan steps hold up?
The Titan step is still intact,
See if they lower.
still opens, but it's a little loose.
Nice.
Well, all in all, not too bad. I think we came through pretty good. We'll be posting our videos of the record games pretty soon, but there's lots and lots of footage I have to edit through and figure it out. So keep watching, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. I think we want a souvenir to hang on our shop wall. This door should be a good one.
I think we earned it.